we're still, I think, okay, 2 points. So this slide is great. This is kind of illustrating or helping see into the kinds of the areas that can, for our audience, cause a friction or a slowdown or a freeze in decisioning.
Consternation.
Yeah, for sure. So we do. So one of the places where we've landed, especially in the work in comparative assets, are the axis of decisions. Like, what are the specific columns in the table, in the comparative table? Because these are the axis of decision, right? From in our model, and so audience is going to align or see or appreciate these various kinds of table headers, so to speak. And then very specifically, we're looking to one of the places we've been leaning more recently is a place we call the axis of advantage, which is just, hey, if we add, if like we look at all the comparative tables that are currently being used at the bottom of the funnel. We look at what are they mostly comparing one to each other, and then what is a unique table or unique rather column or set of columns that the client or is uniquely valuable. Does that mean we're shifting the audience? We're shrinking the audience size? But when we where do they really shine? And how do we make sure that that is a column within the comparative kind of universe, right? So then it becomes an issue not just of like, hey, how do we improve our visibility or how do we improve our rank? We're like, okay, well, how do we continue to assert that this unique value proposition of ours is genuinely valuable, right? Like, how do we put data into that column that proves that this is a valuable column to include in your decisioning matrix, right?